All right, hey guys, LASFIT. LASFIT. You see I got a lot of stuff. We got new liners for Tina's Colorado right here, and you see I got a ton of their stuff. We got so many of their products, but these right here, this kit that I carry with me, this kit that I carry all the time, and you can win this for free. This $500 kit. This is a giveaway. I've never done a giveaway before. LASFIT asked me to do this video to give this stuff away, so one of you guys will win this for free. What do we have in here? So, we have the inflator kit, and we also have the actual LASFIT compressor. So these right here are the two things that LASFIT is. I believe this is what's in that giveaway kit, because it is basically a $500 kit, which is going to give you this setup. I should have took this off a long time ago. There, ooh, look at here. Come in here, look, zoom in on this. People love this. Ready? I don't remember what they call that, but ooh, there you go. But anyway, this kit right here, which I'll show you some clips of me running this thing, is amazing. You get this is the compressor and the air hose that comes with the compressor, and then this is their amazing inflator system right here that is so nice because it's all contained in one unit. It's only 2 sets of hoses, not 4 sets of hoses. This inflates all 4 tires at one time, and then you have the valve right here. Like I said, it's the best system out there. This thing is incredible. There's the valve right here too, so you get it all. Quick release connections. It is amazing. You guys that watch my videos, you know I bought one of these from Rhino when I bought this, and it's good and it works well, but what a tangled mess with 4 hoses. This thing's exhausting to deal with. Where this kit, super simple. I'm going to show you some footage in here showing you how this system works, and how you can get it here. And then now what you're going to want to basically do for this, again, this is coming from LASFIT. Here's new Colorado liners for Tina's Colorado. They have all their different compressors. We have so many of their things. I love this company. They've been around for a while. I even have bulbs coming on my Ram Power Wagon. I cannot stand how dim my backup lights are when I'm in the swamps trying to back up at night. I have new, again, you just call up LASFIT. Hey, I got a problem. What's my solution for this? They're like, sure, no problem. We sell LED, high power LED reverse backup bulbs for your truck. Boom. Sending them to me. They'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to install them. LASFIT has everything from bulbs to the compressors to the floor liners to the you name it. They offer everything. And again, this is an option for you to get a great deal, free giveaway on this. Now, they also, for those of you that don't win this, they're running a 25% promotion on anything LASFIT, so I'll have that link down below for you too. But so how are you going to win this? How are you going to win this? Well, again, I've never done a giveaway before, so hopefully I'm doing this right the way it should be. But what you want to do is you need to be subscribed to my channel, so you got to make sure you're a subscriber, and then you want to comment, and you're going to comment in capital letters LASFIT right here, okay? LASFIT, as you see right on these, but you will write that in capital letters. That tells me that you want to have that, you want to be entered into that drawing. About a week after this video publishes, I will go through and I will pull up every comment that's got that on there. I will assign them to a number, and I will use a random generator to create and for it to generate who the winner is. I will then put out a short video that will tell you that. So you'll want to watch for that about a week after this video on my channel. It'll be for this, and you guys can win this setup that you see right here. Come in here again, T. You should kind of show some close-up of this, but I believe this is what is in that kit, because it's a $500 value, so I'm assuming all of this is included in that kit, is what my thought process is. They didn't tell me exactly. They just said a $500 inflator tire kit is what they're giving away. And then once you win that, they will give me a link to give you, which is a coupon code, so that when you order it, it'll take you right there and you get it for free, shipped directly to your house. You're not getting mine. This is mine. I'm never giving this up. You will get your own brand new version of it, is how this is going to work. So keep an eye out for that. Details will come. And like I said, I'm also going to roll in here some footage of this system being used. It's incredible. The key is, if it doesn't say LASFIT, if you forget to put LASFIT in capital letters, I'm not going to even enter you. Like I said, you got to do that. It tells me you were paying attention to this video. I'm even writing it out about on the screen. LASFIT, all capital letters, gets you entered. But in order to do that, you have to be subscribed to my channel. That's my little benefit I get out of this, is if you're not subscribed, now you're going to be. So I kind of win there. So, but cannot say enough good things about LASFIT. Not only do they sponsor the channel, not only do I run their ads and do I use every single piece of product they have on everything they got, they are top shelf on every level. There's no liner made today that is better than LASFIT. Even factory options, nobody can beat them. Nobody can beat their compressor systems. Even their simple this little beast of a compressor right here that we use that you never have to plug in or mess with. Everything that LASFIT has just impresses me to no end. Everything they make is amazing. The Big Dog double cylinder, twin cylinder generator right here, or compressor right here. Look at this thing scream. Look at how fast this system goes. And you can use it to fill one tire for anything you need like that, but you also have the four-way connector like this. It's a four-way inflator and deflator system. It's one of the best I've ever seen with only two simple hoses. Got that compared with it. It deflates your tires quick and easy for you, and it also fills them super fast. It'll fill 4 of these 35-inch tires from 19 pounds all the way up to 48 pounds, and it'll do it in 7 minutes, all 4 at one time. LASFIT crushes it when it comes to compressor systems. They crush it with every product they have. I have so much of their stuff, and I love everything, but this compressor system here, incredible. Check them out, LASFIT. So there it is for you. Giveaway coming up on this. Stick around. Thanks for watching.